Welcome back to Cars Future. Toyota's RAV4 has remained one of the best-selling SUVs globally for decades, praised for its reliability, versatility, and family-friendly nature. However, Toyota has been expanding its Gazoo Racing GR lineup, bringing sporty design elements, enhanced performance, and a touch of motorsport pedigree to their mainstream vehicles. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport carries a bold and dynamic presence. Drawing inspiration from Toyota's performance-focused GR lineup, the RAV4 GR Sport distinguishes itself with an array of aggressive styling cues. The GR Sport also features exclusive side skirts that give the SUV a lower, more planted look, hinting at its improved handling dynamics. A lowered suspension reduces the ride height slightly compared to the standard RAV4, enhancing both performance and visual appeal. At the rear, the dual chrome-tipped exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper provide a sporty edge. The rear bumper incorporates a diffuser-style lower section, further differentiating the GR Sport from other RAV4 trims. A subtle yet effective roof-mounted spoiler adds aerodynamic flair. The LED taillights feature a smoked finish, and the GR Sport badge on the tailgate serves as a subtle nod to its performance-oriented nature. The heart of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport lies in its performance upgrades. Toyota has tuned this variant to deliver a more engaging driving experience while maintaining the RAV4's signature versatility. Under the hood, the RAV4 GR Sport features a refined version of Toyota's 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid powertrain. This setup produces 230 horsepower and 240 lb-ft of torque, providing a responsive and lively driving experience. The hybrid system ensures a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, with an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.8 seconds. Toyota has equipped the RAV4 GR Sport with a specially tuned sports suspension, featuring revised dampers, stiffer springs, and upgraded anti-roll bars. The GR Sport delivers sharper handling and reduced body roll. This makes cornering more precise and engaging, while the AWD system ensures confidence-inspiring traction in various conditions. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport successfully bridges the gap between practicality and performance. By taking the trusted foundation of the RAV4 and infusing it with Gazoo Racing's sporty DNA, Toyota has created an SUV that is thrilling to drive yet still perfect for daily life.